Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick batch of baked Ziti, pasito a pasito. Here in my pot I have a tablespoon of oil. We're going to add a big spoon of sofrito. We're going to saute our sofrito for like a good 1 minute. And we're going to be adding meatloaf mix. So good. We're going to break the meat thoroughly. Let's add adobo, oregano, a little bit of black pepper, a packet of sazon. We're going to mix this well, and we're going to wait until our meat starts to turn brown. While my meat is browning, I need a nice cup of coffee. So once your meat turns brown, we're going to add a jar of spaghetti sauce, whichever one you like. I like to add a big spoon of cream cheese and a tablespoon of sugar. Why am I adding sugar? Because it's going to take a little bit of that acidity from the tomatoes away. It tastes really good, trust me. Now we're going to cook this for a good 5 minutes until all the flavors marinate together. I already boiled the Ziti for like 10 minutes with a little bit of salt and a tablespoon of oil. That's it. Let's add our meat sauce. Let's mix this well, and then we're going to add this to our casserole dish. Let's grate some sharp cheddar cheese over the top. Into a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. This baked Ziti is done. Que ricura.